Good morning, children. Welcome back to our English class. Today, I will be explaining you the first poem of our textbook. The name of the poem is The Road Not Taken, written by Robert Frost. It's an autobiographical poem based on a very common experience. The poet has to decide whether to follow the crowd or to take the other road and make his own path in life. Okay, before we begin, let's have a look at the life and career of Robert Frost. Robert Frost was a well known American poet. He was born in San Francisco. He had spent the first 40 years of his life without any recognition. Thereafter, he won 4 Pulitzer Prizes during his lifetime. Through the language he used and the situations that he portrayed, his poems became very realistic, and that's why they are familiar to the common man even till date. Now, I'm going to read the poem as a whole. The Road Not Taken. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry, I could not travel both. And be one traveler long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bet in the undergrowth. Then took the other just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear, though as for that the passing there had want them really about the same. And both that morning equally lay in leaves, no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way. I doubted if I should ever come back. I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence. Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. Let's go stanza by stanza. Again, moving on to the first stanza. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both, and be one traveller long I stood. I looked down one as far as I could, to where it bed in the undergrowth. In this stanza, the poet says that when he was walking down a road, he came across a diversion which led to two roads ahead. He says he was sorry he could not travel both. He had to choose one to move ahead. We can feel a tone of regret in the poem when he says sorry. He stood there for a long time trying to see where the roads go. But he could see only up to the first bend because his view was obstructed by the undergrowth. I'll explain you the word undergrowth. Undergrowth means dense growth of plants and bushes. Okay, I have a question for you now. Where did the two roads diverge? The two roads diverged in a yellow wood. What do you mean by yellow wood? Yellow wood symbolizes the autumn season. It lies between summer and winter. During this season, the climate gets cooler and leaves turn its color. Then the landscape becomes marvelous and the woods appear yellow in color. I hope you understood the first stanza. Okay, let's move to the second stanza. Then took the other just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear, though as for that the passing there had worn them really about the same. Okay, in this stanza we can see that the poet at last decided to choose the other road, which was less travelled and grassy. That means less people walked upon it. Being adventurous, the poet was tempted to take the second road as it was chosen by only risk taking people. Okay, children, the meaning of wanted wear is the road that had not been used.